IoTeX Community, and welcome to this week's News Digest. Here are the latest updates for you.
Last week, IoTeX was featured in IoT for All, which is a top global IoT community. In our feature article, we explain how blockchain will unleash the true power of IoT. Give it a read via the link below. Our new and improved web-based integrated developer environment, or IDE, allows developers to build and deploy smart contracts on IoTeX with ease. There is no need for complicated blockchain setups. Anyone can get up to speed in just seconds. Just write your code, build and deploy to the blockchain in one click with the IoTeX Studio. Watch the full tutorial on our YouTube and visit the website to port your Solidity smart contract to IoTeX in minutes.
And these were all of the updates for you this week. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Stay tuned for more news.